Gold and silver achieved the new highs here. We have seen gold hitting 3760 mark in the earlier trades today, while silver is also scaled towards 44 10 zone. What to expect from gold and silver? And yes, not to forget the crude oil and natural gas, which is traded bearish oil, facing a good resistance at 63. We have seen it coming back to 61.8, 61.5, the critical support zone here, while natural gas has erased the gains and moved towards the support at 3.07. What to expect today from gold, silver, oil and gas? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Don't miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver, then lastly crude oil and natural gas. Every instrument we are going to analyze in detail, and I am going to give you the trading levels such that you can profit trading each and every instrument. Subscribe, press the bell icon. Let's start. Firstly, on the hourly chart, the price is now trying to trade below the 5-period moving averages, which is so far offered it a very good support on the hourly charts. You can see the price was trading bullish here. Now it has erased the gains and moved towards 20 period. Now it is pretty important for gold to trade first below 37, 38, 36 zone. That is the first support zone, and then if that is taken, we still have key support levels here on the downside. You can see this price got hesitant here. It is got the support from 20 from the 5 period, and 37.20 offered it a good support. So even if it tries to trade bearish, we can expect a very good support till towards 3700 mark. As long as 3700 mark is not taken, you should not be treating gold as bearish for the day. See, if it can rise sharp, it can drop sharp as well, but right now it is not showing any signs. So bearishness, you can see after this single drop, it has tried to bounce back, higher lows are seen. I will wait for it to trade below this zone, which will confirm further bearishness here. If you see the stochastic, this has cooled down. The MACD, look at the MACD after hitting the highs, it is now trying to reverse. We have discussed this yesterday. See, on the hourly charts, gold tries to reverse from this zone. Yes, and this is again the same zone from which it is trying to reverse. Possibly this may call for a little reversal. RSI has come out of the overbought zone here. Look at now here on the 2-hour charts, you can find out how important is the 5-period moving average. See, first rise, then consolidation, second rise, then consolidation, third rise, then consolidation. Now it is pretty important for gold to consistently stay below 5-period moving average. What will happen once it trades below 5-period moving average? The possibility of a move towards 20 period will increase here. This means that now once it trades below 37, 38, 36 zone, you can expect a move towards 37, 18, 20 zone, or 37, 16, 20 zone rather. Right now it is not showing any such sign. Remember this fact. Stochastic dropping here. The MACD here has also seen the highs, waiting for it to converge crossover. See this, it tries to reverse from this zone. Wait for it to crossover in order to confirm a reversal. RSI has come out of the overbought zone here. On the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 3-hour chart. Support. Now very crucial for the next candle in gold to trade below 37, 38, 36 zone. This will confirm further downside here. Stochastic extremely overbought. MACD here still has room for further rise, but when you see this is slightly tapered, so this appears to be a possible inflection point where it can try to reverse here. RSI is staying overbought, trying to come out of the overbought zone here. Look at 4-hour charts. Likewise, on the 4-hour charts, you can see the 5-period offering it a little support, the 20 period sitting at around 3700 mark, and the critical support at 3684.85. That is the zone it has to trade in below in order to confirm a possible reversal. As long as 3684.85 zone is not taken, you should not be treating gold as bearish. Now see the 4-hour charts. One bearish candle, a swing here. Preceding candle is a swing candle. The current candle might in fact reverse the complete trend here. So once it trades now below 37, 36, 37.40 zone, the chances of 37.16.20 will be very high. And once that is taken, we are ready for another round of drop towards 3708, 3700 mark. But right now it is staying bullish, taking the support. It is trying to bounce back. Now on the upside, remember, on the upside, you have to now wait for it to trade beyond 3752 mark. Once it trades beyond 3752, stay bullish for 3760 as the first target. and beyond 3760. See, another way to look at is first rise retracement, second rise retracement, third bigger rise could call for a possible bigger retracement, but this is an expanding triangle. Any move beyond 3760-64 should be an indication that now we are ready for 3780 and 3800 mark here. Be cautious. It is still staying bullish. The stochastic coming out of the overbought zone here. The MACD divergent, the MACD bullish, the RSI overbought here. Now, when you see the daily chart, see the consolidation here, then a big rise has appeared and a retracement followed with a retracement. Again, the second bigger rise. This might also follow with a retracement, and today's candle will decide whether it is willing to retrace or not. And thus on the upside now 3760-64 is going to remain crucial, which will confirm the move towards 3780 and 3800 mark here. Possibility is there that gold might try to hit the critical milestone now at 3800 before showing any signs of reversal. However, I am staying still a little cautious. The more I stay cautious, the more it rises. Very simple. Stochastic getting overbought. The MACD is at extremes here as well, and the RSI is staying overbought. So looking at this now, before I give you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do join the mentorship batch. The next batch bookings are open. You can be part of it. You get all the tools, techniques, and strategies such that you can identify a profitable trade with ease. You will also be a part of our alumni channel where you get all the trades and trends. And yes, do not miss the opportunity, as you can re-attend the live classes any point of time in near future, and also you will be getting the live recordings so that you can refer to the classes any point of time. Do join the mentorship batch, else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can profit. Write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a SWIFT free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First is where you should buy. I will only recommend you to buy once you see it is staying beyond 3752 levels. Expect 3760-64 as the first target zone. And then once it trades beyond this, I will look forward to 3780 directly, and then 3800 mark here, the next target zone. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry 3742 itself. Expect 3736, 3728, 3718. And if 3718 is taken, still you will see till 3700 it has got very good support. Once it trades below 3700, 3684.85 next. Once it trades below 3684.85, you can expect 3660, and then you can expect a greater correction here on the downside. Right now it is not showing any weakness here. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver now. Silver on the hourly charts, see the rise, retracement towards 20 period taking the support, rise, retracement towards taking 20 period taking the support, trying to bounce back. Certainly 4410 is one level beyond which you can expect another round of rise here. Beyond 4410, we are looking forward to 4450 levels directly. And if at all it trades beyond 4450, 4440 zone, you can look forward to the next target at 45. Yes, beyond 4440, 4450, silver might try to move towards $45 zone. While on the downside, this is the support it needs to trade below, which means if you see it is staying below 4380, you can take a sell. When you see the higher prices below 4380, let's have a further look though. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. The MACD has crossed over at the top here right now, trying to trade with moderate bearishness, looking downwards. See the waves here, rise, retracement, bigger rise, so might follow with a bigger retracement. However, let's wait for it to trade below 4380, 4360 zone in order to confirm further bearishness. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. Look at 2-hour charts. What's happening on the 2-hour chart? See this straight bullish candle. See, it has created a bottom here at around 4340 levels. So this is one zone below 4360, which is going to be the next support zone here. And I will say it has to trade below the 20 period and 4340 mark in order to confirm a reversal today. Now see what's happening also. You should notice higher lows, higher highs, rise retracement, it can bounce back. So if it trades beyond 4410, is stay bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD after hitting the highs is now crossing over here. Slight bearish indication it is. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. Look at the 3-hour charts. What's happening on the 3-hour chart? See, the 5 period is still acting as a greater support zone. Every time it kisses the 5 period, it follows with a bounce back. I will wait for the closure of the current candle and the beginning of the next candle, because see, it might close here and then start and resume the downtrend from here. So yes, once you see it staying below 43.80, you can take a sell. However, I will say 43.60 first, 43.40 second. This complete zone till 43.40 is going to offer it a maximum support for the day. Below this 43 is a certainty. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge here. It has not yet crossed over. The RSI staying overbought. Coming to 4 hours, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation, rise, consolidation, rise, retracement, higher lows here, higher highs here. Resistance on the upside pretty strong, and it is trying to bounce back. I will wait for it to even trade below 43.80. That itself is a good indication for us to stay with the sells here, but with a little caution till 43.40 levels, and below that 43 should be seen. Stochastic overbought, trying to cool down. The MACD is in green, trying to converge here. RSI overbought. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, see one point after creating the support here at the 20 period moving average, also the consolidation here at around $41 zone, and taking the support price have seen a good rise. One possibility, rise retracement, so rise a pullback, but right now it is not showing any weakness. Very crucial for silver to trade below 43. If at all it decides to trade below 43, that will become the reversal sign, and then you can expect it to in fact move towards 42 or 41. But right now it is staying bullish. Stochastic extremely overbought, MACD at the top, RSI again overbought. So looking at this, what you can do, where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 44.10 levels. Lower price has to be above 44.10. Expect 44.40, 44.50 as the first target zone. If this is taken, stay bullish for 44.75 and $45 zone. This is one crucial milestone which silver would like to breach in, and then possibly a reversal from those levels can be seen. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 43.80 itself. When you see the higher price below 43.80, take a sell here. 43.60 and 43.40. Two crucial levels which silver has to trade below. If at all it decides to trade below 43.40, chances of 43.10 will be very high. And if once it trades below 43.10, you can just stay bearish for 42.50 and $42 zone very soon, if not today. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to crude oil. Crude oil yesterday traded bearish, but the most important thing is it is yet to break below the crucial support zone, and it is yet delivering higher lows and higher highs. We have discussed this point yesterday as well. Now, can it break below 41.5? Can we expect more bearishness here? Let's find out the answer. See, the moving averages here are trading with divergence staying bearish. Casing 20, we can see a possible reversal. We are seeing a possible reversal here, which means greater resistances are available on the upside, and this suggests that if you see now oil trading beyond 62.4, you can initiate a buy. Expect it to move towards 63 zone here. Yes, if it stays beyond 62.4, that could be the possible confirmation of a reversal from here. Right now it is not showing such a strength. It is trading in this bearish channel, delivering lower highs and lower lows here. Stochastic getting oversold, and the MACD is already at bottom, trying to cross over again for sell. RSI is also sitting at the bottom here. Let's wait for it to reverse. Right now it is not showing signs of reversal here. Look at 2-hour charts, similar observation. See, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now it is very crucial for oil to trade beyond 62.4. Remember, if you recall, previously 62.3, 62.5 was a good resist support here. Now this is going to be a very good resistance for oil to trade beyond, and then 63, and then 63.5, 63.6. Stochastic here is looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. The MACD is almost sitting at the bottom. It has completed the wave. It has in fact breached the wave here, so possibly reversal cannot be denied. RSI almost sitting at the bottom. Look at 3-hour charts. What's happening on the 3-hour charts? The moving average is crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish. Look at the last two candles. See, since the reversal, we have seen again a reversal sign, and it is delivering the second candle. So now if you see it is staying below 61.75, it stays short for 61.4, 61.5 here. And then below that is where you can say now the bears are taking over. Stochastic rising here while the MACD is still staying bearish. And the RSI is also staying bearish here. On the 4-hour, Similar observation here, drop retracement, drop retracement. Now the 5 period is offering it a little resistance, very very crucial for oil to trade beyond 62.4, 62.6, and then 63 levels here. Any move beyond 63 is a sign of reversal. Yes, it might try to bounce back. If at all it decides to stay below beyond 63, this time I think it is going to break past 65, 66 as well. But right now it is staying bearish, it is not showing signs of reversal. Stochastic placed comfortably. The MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, notice first of all, this is a crucial support zone. Second, lower highs are seen, so this could be one of the squeeze as well. Today's candle will decide whether it's a squeeze or it is going to give you a breakout. Today's move is going to be very very important. One thing what we had discussed here is after the drop or retracement, again a sharp drop, bigger rise, bigger retracement. It has come down towards the same zone. But the important thing is what it is delivering higher lows, which is still a sign that possibly oil prices can bounce back and hit higher highs here. So this is something you have to watch out. And today's move is going to be very, very crucial for that. Stochastic getting oversold. The MACD is important. It has just crossed over again on the sell side. And if at all it diverges, which means it has to deliver a red candle today, which suggests that possibly now 60, 58 or 55 could be seen. So today's move is what will decide the future course which oil might try to take. RSI has dropped here as well. So considering this, what you can do, where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy. And yes, before I give you the buying and selling levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you're willing to just trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel. And those looking forward to a trusted partner should join the recommended broker and get all the benefits. The links are there in the channel and video description. So first is where you can buy. I will recommend you to buy at 62.4. Expect 62.8, 63 as the first target zone. If at all oil decides to stay beyond 63, expect 63.5, 63.6 as the next, and if that is taken, then 64. Till 64, it has got extremely strong resistance. Appears difficult for oil to break this today, but yes, if it stays beyond this, we are looking at 66 here. While on the downside, where to sell? I will recommend you to sell at 61.75 and then expect 61.5, 61.4. If this is taken, then 61. Below 61, ideally now we are waiting for 60, 59.2, 57.8. And if these levels are taken, 55 levels very, very soon. I think even if it tries to trade bearish, 60 and 59.2 should be a very good support. But yes, a move towards 60 and 59.2 is a confirmation of greater bearishness ahead. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas on the hourly charts, you can see this drop. Then you can see retracement or sideways movement, bigger drop, retracement or sideways movement, again a bigger drop. Now it has come down towards the first support zone at 3.07, 3.05. And if this is taken, we know that the next support zone is towards 2.973. Can we expect net gas to breach this? But when you look at the moves, if we have seen three bigger moves here, this and this, so this calls for again a possible retracement. And thus if you see now oil net gas trading beyond 3.08 levels itself, when you see the lower price above 3.08, you can stay with the buys here. Expect 3.1112, and if 3.1112 is taken, you can expect 3.15 as the next targets. Moving averages are bearish here. Stochastic rising. MACD has formed a double bottom, waiting for it to converge and cross over for a buy. RSI is also sitting at the bottom. Look at 2-hour charts. Similar observation here on the 2-hour charts here. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. It might follow with a little retracement. Yes, this is how it has been trading. The highs are now aiming at 3.15 levels. Stochastic oversold. MACD extremely bearish. RSI is sitting at the bottom. Look at the 3-hour charts. Now on the 3-hour charts, the preceding candle could become a reversal candle. Yes, if you now see natural gas trading beyond 3.1112, that will confirm the next move here. So the next candle is going to be very, very important. A move beyond 3.1112 will confirm the next move towards 3.1516, and any move beyond 3.2 will be a confirmation of reversal. See, the moving averages have crossed over, which is a slight bearish sign. Stochastic oversold, MACD at bottom, RSI at bottom here. Look at the 4-hour charts. The moving average is crossing over here. It's a bearish indication. Drop, retracement, drop. It might retrace. This is how it has been trading. 3.1516 might get achieved. Also notice the support here. The support here is pretty strong. 3.0705 zone. And if that is taken, remember till 2.97 we should not be treating natural gas as bearish here. Let's watch out if at all it decides to trade below 3.0705. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI sitting at the bottom here. Look at the daily. On the daily charts, the moving averages have converged. These have not yet crossed over. Rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement, support here, higher highs here. And now we have to wait for it to stay beyond 3.2 levels in order to confirm a possible reversal. And today's move is going to be very crucial, because see, once it trades below 3.0705, you can expect 2.97, and if at all it decides to trade below 2.97, it is again heading towards the bottom here, that is 2.7 and then 2.5 levels. Let's watch out how it behaves today. Stochastic oversold, MACD crossing over for sell again, RSI looking downwards. So considering this, what you can do, I will recommend you to buy 3.085 levels here. When you see the lower price above 3.085, stay bullish for 3.11, 3.12 levels. And if this is taken, then 3.15, 3.16. If this is also taken, 3.2 is a certainty here, and beyond 3.2 it is a reversal, where you can expect 3.26, 3.32 and 3.4 levels very soon, if not today. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 3.0. See, this 3.0705 is a very crucial zone, so I will recommend you to sell at 3.065, expect 3.045, and if this is taken, then 3, and then 2.97. Till 2.97 we should not be treating natural gas as bearish. Below 2.97 expect 2.93, 2.86 and then 2.78 levels very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.